Alright guys, so I got the package up in here. So basically the only thing we need to do first is run your power cable to the trunk back there, and we're gonna run the what is this other one called? I guess the turn on wire, the little blue one that you're either gonna hook up directly to your stereo, or you can tap it to a fuse, 5 amp fuse or something like that. So basically what I'm gonna do is it seems like this car already had an amplifier before, so it seems like they had the fuse right here, look, and they had it tapped into like a little amp or something over here on the side. And then I'm also going to get my turn on wire. I'm gonna hook it up to this one, my blue one, the one that is gonna turn on the amplifier whenever you put the key on the starter. And we're just gonna tap it into here, and let me see that. Ouch. And we're just all the way back. Oh, it's a big mess right here. But anyways, that's the idea. Let's see if we can undo this one right here. So I'm gonna put the camera down and I'm going to start working. So we'll just get it under this cover right here, just to get it out of the way. And we're also gonna do the same thing with our blue one, okay?
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take take control over your body and over your.
Alright guys, so we have our power cable coming from battery, and we have our blue turn on cable that we tapped into one of the cables going to the stereo. So in other words, when the stereo turns on, the amplifier is gonna turn on. You can also like I said before, you can also tap this to a fuse, so when you turn your car on, then this is gonna be able to give power and turn your amplifier on. So two things that we have left to do is just get the ground connector somewhere and connect your audio cables. Now the audio cables, you usually want to connect it to your stereo. So since this one is in original stereo that came with the car, it doesn't have the two RCA jacks for the audio. So what you're gonna have to do is you have to tap in to like some of the speaker cables that are coming from the stereo. You probably can't see it. Let me see if I can get some light. So basically you're gonna have to tap it into here, this one right there. And this car already had it. Like I said, I think someone already had a amplifier connected in this car, but I'm gonna put a picture on the screen right now, and so you guys can see how it looks like, and you can get one more for like $10 or something. But now let's go ahead and look for somewhere to ground, or to get ground from. Let's see. It's a little bit dark over here, but I got the subwoofer with the built-in amp over here. So make our connections is the last thing we gotta do. I got my ground from here on the side also. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see. But yeah, let's start working on it. Alright, so we're gonna do we're gonna get our audio cable first. We go right here. Black one goes here. White one goes there. So then we have our turn on cable here. Put a blue with blue. There we go. Okay, we have a power right here. Our ground. Let's see. Alright guys, so we have everything connected now, and let's see if the amp turns on. Let me go and turn on the car really quick. Alright guys, so I have the car on, got my stereo on. We're gonna play some music. As you can see, I'm gonna leave the music like a half probably. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear it, but I can already hear the bass. I can already hear the big difference that this little cheap amp is gonna do it. Alright guys, and basically that's the end of the video. It got dark on me, I'm sorry about that, and I probably didn't explain everything like I should, but yeah, so it's pretty simple. You basically just have to run your cable from the battery to the trunk. In this case I got my power here in the corner, I don't know if you guys remember, and then you just have to run it through the little trim right here on the side, going all the way back, and then either running your turn on cable so you can turn on the amplifier either from the radio, or hooking up to a fuse, which is basically what I did. So when the car turns on, then your amp is gonna turn on, and then you guys are probably not able to hear it, but oh man, it's making a big difference. And well, just basically get your ground from back there, and getting your audio from back there too, from the speakers. So that's all I did. I'm sorry I'm not a person that I can explain everything really good. Please subscribe. If you want to leave a comment, and like the video. Thank you.